When we first made the Quiver, we wanted to solve a problem. What we didn't expect was to form a tribe of like-minded hustlers who live these crazy action-packed lives. You told us you wanted more, so we decided to give you more. Introducing Quiver X. Quiver X's rectangular frame ensures your carrying capacity is maximized to every inch for any lifestyle. There are a lot of ways to carry it, or not carry it. As always, we prioritize quick access, even in our all-new padded laptop and tablet compartment, with a privacy pouch for your personal items. And now, our card slots are RFID protected. Quiver X comes with an auto-lock zip mechanism to safeguard your valuables. Be accessible with the waterproof touch pouch, especially when everything is visible. Quiver X's DWR fabric shields your valuables from all elements. When you need a lightweight alternative, just bust out the Knockpack. Waterproof and airtight. Carry your sweaty gym clothes without stares or odor. We know you live life large. From meetings to Mai Tai, from hiking to hustling, we made the one bag you need. This is Quiver X.
The Hardshell Ultimate Travel Backpack made of ultra-high strength ABS polycarbonate. Efficiently store away in the separate sections. Keep your items safe and secure with an expandable 35-liter capacity. 13 separate compartments. Comfort is second nature with the 2 cushion pad storage. An easy reach pocket on top. With expandable side pockets and a luggage handle strap, traveling is taken to a new level of convenience. Boasting a weight of only 2.6 pounds. The chest belt was added for more security, keeping you safe and water resistant. Not even the roughest game will stop you. The sturdy hard shell keeping you secure, yet you're fresh the whole way with the air mesh waist protection. The bridge between you and travel is right here. Be free. Let your shield guard your treasures. Jerrybag.
Feets and Feets is a brand inspired by the vibe of Amsterdam. The Feets and Feets backpack is made for biking, traveling, urban adventures, and daily commutes. It has a universal port to attach a variety of gear. It's waterproof and smart. The Feets and Feets adaptable backpack is ready for every adventure. The patented Feets and Feets Plus Dock makes this backpack a game changer, an innovative system to attach everything you need to your backpack. We have already developed 3 accessories: a shoe bag to carry on your wet or dirty sneakers, a rear light with 2 light modes to stay visible at night, a universal holder to attach anything else you need onto your bag, bike accessories, traveling gear, a water bottle, a speaker. We challenge you to come up with more ideas you want us to develop for your Feets and Feets backpack. The 3 smart packing tools lets you organize however you want. Designed for weekend getaways, the clothing duffel keeps your clothes accessible and neat. The camera bag keeps your gear organized and protected when you're on the move. The toiletries bag has dry and wet compartments to hold all your daily necessities. Together, they fit perfectly. Individually, they hold millions of possibilities. The Feets and Feets backpack is made from durable, waterproof, stain-proof, and super light material and has a velvet soft feel. The large pocket with waterproof zippers in the front is for storing wet things, so the rest of your belongings stay nice and dry. The magnetic roll-up closure ensures for a tight seal, while the magnetic buckle provides for a fast and easy closing. To free yourself from being weighed down, securely attach the backpack to your bike instead, or on the rear luggage carrier for a comfortable and unrestricted ride. Still prefer to carry the bag on your back? Use the chest buckle for a secure and tight fit to keep the bag firmly into place. The choice is yours. Carry this backpack any way you want. Use the side pocket for items you want access to. Multiple compartments with different size allows you to organize everything in place. Or any small items. There's a place for everything in the Feets and Feets backpack. No matter how your day looks like, or how long your day is, our bag is your perfect companion. Life is a trip. Pack all you need and seek every adventure. The Feets and Feets Versatile Backpack.
Hey there, thanks for watching this video. Click here to watch more and please subscribe to our channel. It's easy with the subscription button, it's down there somewhere. Don't wait for me to ask you again. Go ahead and subscribe. I promise you won't regret it.